Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July 27th on a Thursday. And sorry, I've been on vacation, so if no picks the last 3 days, sorry about that. But let's dive in. Boy, I'm seeing a lot of action this morning, a lot of good setups. Makes me a little bit nervous, but nonetheless, let's take a look. You can see there the SPY setting up nicely and gapping up. I'm still kind of favoring some of the China stocks. I feel like there may be some better opportunity there for stuff that's not quite overextended. But let's jump in. Let's take a look real quick. I'm liking this GENI. Okay, this is one that had a big move, big green bar, has been going sideways, consolidating, kind of in a range. Maybe set you an alert right there above that $8 and look for volume if it does break through. AI, I know it's a popular sector lately, but this is one very similar look over the last couple of weeks as that GENI that we just looked at. Looking for a break above maybe the 42, get a little head start before that high over there at maybe 42.75. Boy, there's lots of them today. This IQ, it's kind of trading in the lower end of its lifetime range. I'm actually in this one, but I'm kind of like the way this maybe sets up for a big move. If it can get above this 3-day high here, should attack this 584, but keep that one on your radar. Once again, I'm not looking for stuff that's overextended. We're looking for setups. Let's take a look at possibly one more BABA, another China play. Looking like in the long term on this one. Okay, this one you have your fanning moving averages. You got your 10, pushing higher. So look for BABA to maybe break that 3-day high there. I think this could approach at 100 pretty quickly. All right, guys, a lot on the radar today. Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.